world experienced a total of 14,078 earthquakes of magnitude 6 and above during the calendar year 2018. Last year we had some major shocks. 17 in fact major earthquakes. Indonesia, where we lost some 2,500 persons, Papua New Guinea, Japan, Haiti, Taiwan, Mexico. A total of 3,155 persons died as a result of earthquake and or tsunami. In the Caribbean, we can say we had our fair share of seismic activities. We had some 40 earthquakes of magnitude 5 and above. We had a minor volcanic activity in Grenada, and the region experienced 3 tsunami alerts. In Jamaica, it appeared as if Sundays were a featured day for earthquakes.
With respect to the monitoring of earthquakes, we were able to record a total of 286 events for the year 2018. Of these, the island experienced 116 local earthquakes, of which 13 were reported as felt. As there is truly no earthquake-free zone on the island, the epicenters of these felt events were distributed across the parishes of St. Andrew, which had 3, Portland 2, St. Thomas 1, St. Catherine 1, Trelawney 1, St. Elizabeth 2, St. James 2, and the last one was offshore Negril. For 2019, the earthquake unit will continue to monitor for earthquakes as well as to complete station improvements in order to serve the nation better.
This year we're going to be paying special attention to the next generation, the children. Therefore, the OPM will mount a special activity across every school in the nation. We're going to be conducting the largest earthquake drill ever held in Jamaica. I cannot say more at this time. It is going to happen. It will not be announced. But one thing we are sure of is that just about every school across the nation is going to be responding in an earthquake drill to remind us that yes, they know what is required, and if or when we should have that shock, they can do it without even thinking. Despite achievements in seismology, it is still not possible in the true sense to predict the occurrence of an earthquake. We want to incite the nation into action for the occurrence of earthquakes or tsunamis at any time. We want to indoctrinate you into preparedness for response during and after an earthquake.